What's going on, all you wingless dorks out there? What'd you think of that video? I'm sorry, I've been watching Cobra Kai left and right. What do you guys think of Cobra Kai? Team Johnny? Team Daniel? Leave a comment below. I'm Team Johnny, I'm not gonna lie. What'd you think of that little video? I haven't actually seen it yet because I haven't shot it. So we're gonna do some behind the scenes and I wanna show you my process in making a short 6 to 10 second advertising video for use on social media. AFK is what we use today, and they are a local kombucha company. I'm pretty good friends with the owner, and I just love their kombucha. So I wanted to show you guys how I can make a great advertisement video with just a product for a very inexpensive cost. I can get my customers something short and crisp that just showcases that product for social media. It's like ASMR for your eyeballs. Follow along. And in the meantime, subscribe to the channel because we're going to be doing a ton of fun stuff like this. And at the end, stick around because I'm going to talk about something great that we have coming up in the future. And I think a lot of you are going to get a big use out of it. So AFK, short product video for social media. Let's get to it. All right, guys. Here we are in my dining room where we decided to set up for this product shoot. My daughter Celia hopped on the BTS camera to help out with that. We decided to take care of the overhead shots first, since it would be the most difficult to set up for. I just finagled my camera over the top of the product using my tripod. We used a yellow backdrop and had a couple of panel lights with some soft boxes on them, set to the same temperature. I was a little iffy about this first attempt at the hero shot, dropping the can into the tea leaves. I thought it was a little messy. So I went and I grabbed a clear bowl to put the tea leaves in, but it just didn't have the right effect. So as you can see, we wound up just going with the first one, and I'm real happy with how that turned out. While I still had the overhead set up, I wanted to go ahead and take care of the next shot, which was just throwing the tea leaves up and getting them to come in and out of focus for a nice slow-mo. So I just set my focus and started playing with throwing them up there.
I hope not.
Oops, I just got the friggin' people wet. Good thing we're done with those.
Good thing this is the last one. Is it cracking?
This is really a test. I have no idea what this is going to do when it hits the water. Can you hold that up?
Like right here? You gotta stir it.
Let's just drop more.
Oh, that looks cool.
It does look cool. So what'd you guys think? I thought it was a blast, and I had a great time doing it, and I think it turned out great. If you liked what you just saw, please hit the like button, and to see more videos like this, just subscribe to our channel, and we have a lot coming in the future. So what I wanted to bring up is my daughter and I are going to, over the next 6 months, put together from start to finish a 6-part mini-series for the web. We've never done a full web series before. We've done some pilot episodes and some short films and fun stuff like that, which I'll link in the description below so you guys can check that out. It's gonna be me, my daughter Celia, and we'll bring in some friends from the outside and get some advice from you guys. We're gonna do another video next week and really introduce this whole process and kind of our game plan. So pay attention. Again, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel because the next 6 months is going to be crazy with this, and we hope it goes great, and we want to bring you guys along with it. So, hoping to grow this channel, hoping to do some fun, entertaining stuff, and teach along the way, as well as you'll see us learning as well. Every day is a learning experience for us. It's going to be a blast. Can't wait to do it. We'll see you guys next week when we release that video. I'm gonna have it later. It's not really cold anymore, so it's a good way to end the video, right? So see you guys next time. Go 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 go. Oh, the freaking label. The label's wrong for a right-handed person. If I was right-handed, left-handed. All right, that doesn't work because I'm blocking all my fun, my Rick and Morty posters. Alex Foltz.